All right, so here's example 1 of scale 3-2. We're doing absolute value inequalities. Now, once again, I want to isolate my absolute value sign, so get it by itself on one side. So to do that, I'm going to divide by -2, so that these will cancel, and I also divide the other side by -2. Now, remember, whenever I divide by a negative, doesn't matter when, I always flip the sign. So I get absolute value of a plus 1 is greater than 7. Now, once again, we split into two inequalities. We drop the absolute value and keep it the same. A plus 1 is greater than 7. And negative a minus 1 is greater than 7. All right, that's a greater than sign. That's a 7. All right. And then we just solve it like any other inequality. Minus 1, minus 1. And I have a is greater than 6. Here I would do plus 1. I have negative a is greater than 8, but then I need to divide by -1 or multiply by -1. Doesn't really matter. All right. Now, once again, I need to flip my sign whenever I divide. And a common mistake I see is people forget to write this as -8. That is, a is less than -8. So then let's graph it, and that will kind of tell us whether it's and or. We're not going to have any no solution or weird ones. There are some out there, but I decided for this class we're just going to kind of have straight up ones. A is less than -8. So here's -8, and it's less than, so it's all the values below it. And A is greater than 6. Once again, open circle at 6, and greater than. So this is an or, so we would just say or. And so when you write it into ClassKick, it would be, and you could do it either way, A is greater than 6, or A is less than -8, and that would be your answer.